आयज आमी खास करून आयल्या ते म्हणजे डिजिटल डायलॉग सोशल मीडिया एंड सोसायटी. दिस इज अ बुक विच इज बीन एडिटेड बाय डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इकॉनॉमिक्स अंडर द HOD Dr. Elizabeth Henriks and Ms. Wembley Colasso under the visionary leadership of our principal Dr. Nadaf. खूब बरें दिसलें की वो गव्हर्मेंट कॉलेज माडगांव आणि खास करून हो बूक जो आसा पळय हे पब्लिकेशन US पब्लिकेशन आसा. द पब्लिकेशन इज रॉयल इंटरनॅशनल ग्लोबल LAC and it was a real proud moment for me to come to Government College of Commerce and Economics here at Margao to unveil this book.
So it is indeed my privilege to express my gratitude on the occasion of the release of our book, Digital Dialogues, Social Media and Society. At the very outset, let me begin by thanking our chief guest, Ma'am Suraksha Sawant. Thank you, ma'am, for accepting our invite. You actually, in your conversation with this audience, took us through a journey from the facilities that the millennials had and what facilities the Gen Zers have.